In A pure stock, Don Kazi of Memphis, Tennessee was uncontested in his gorgeous 63 Max Wedge Plymouth Sport Fury. ET was 12.21. In C pure stock, Stan Smith's 69 Hemi Roadrunner from Arlington, Texas got a lucky draw when Jeff Peterson's 69 446 pack Super B red lighted. In D pure stock, there was fine big block competition from Steve Vanderwall's 68.5 428 Cobra Jet Mustang and David Fay's 70 455 Stage 1 Buick GS. Steve got the win with a 13.16 ET. GM 455 Power dominated in E pure stock when Gary Lunt's 71 W30 Olds 442 came out on top against Mark Walter's 74 Super Duty Trans Am, the last of the classic muscle cars, 13.26 to 13.33. In H pure stock, Rod Heltzel of Coppell, Texas successfully campaigned his 340/70 Dodge Dart against Rick Slowinski's 70s Buick GS wagon, although what Rick's motor is would be anybody's guess. In TB pure stock, Memphis native Barlow Mann was able to outrun Ken Woodward's 87 Buick Regal T-Type with his own 87 Buick Grand National. TC pure stock saw a surprising performance from Joe Reese's 91 Dodge Spirit RT as he got a 14.41 out of his turbocharged 135 four-cylinder against Daniel Lowell's 91 Olds Calais 442. One of the dominant forces in A top stock this season, Barry Poole power shifted his 68.5 Cobra Jet Mustang to an 11-second win against Anthony Galea's 68 AMC AMX 390. The B top stock final was an extremely close race as Ken Kessling's 427 Nova fought Danny Kellum's 427 Camaro all the way to the end, 11.93 to 11.92. Ken won by virtue of his near-perfect 5:09 reaction time. Shifting from A to C top stock this year, young Kevin Chapman's 69 446 pack Super B easily beat Bob Hinson's 455 powered 67 Pontiac Tempest 11.84 to 12.72. D top stock. The rear end on John McWhirter's 66 W30 Olds 442 locked up on him halfway down the track, giving the win to Jack Nelson's 73 340 Dodge Challenger. Solo in E top stock was Galen Rogers' show-ready 400 cubic inch 67 Buick Grand Sport with an impressive 13.01 effort. Also solo was G-top stocker James Pappas of Carrollton, Tennessee in his 15-second 403 powered 79 Trans Am. A modified production. In a pony car shootout, Kirk Manuel's 440/70 Challenger beat Ed Bendel's 467 powered 67 Camaro 10.43 to 11.38. Former super stock racer Dick Lowry again dominated B modified production in his 461 Chevelle by outrunning Gary Turner's 463 powered 72 Olds 442 10.67 to 11.92. C modified production saw Tim Davis's 71 340 Demon come out on top when Brian Hampton's 71 350 Nova red lighted. Old and new Mustangs were tangling for the D modified production title when Michael Gardner's 85 beat Talmadge Abbott's 68. Naturally, it was a pair of 87 Grand Nationals which finished off the stock appearing six-cylinder class. Pat Kelly's going 12.14 to Luigi Lavino's 12.29. In stock appearing 8-cylinder, Rich Susky's 350 powered 85 Corvette easily fended off Paul Smith's 88 Mustang going 12.55 to Paul's 14.81. In the EFI modified 6-cylinder class, it was once again a pair of Grand Nationals, this time Travis Beckendorf's 86 versus Brian Haas 87. Travis won 11.42 to 11.70.